Bicycle rent system. The project is made in SAP ABAP and it allows the owner of the bicycle to rent out a bicycle for a specific time to customer. The entities in the model are customer, bicycle, and booking. A customer can book many cycle and one cycle can be booked by many customers. So there are many to many relationship, and that's what we have created the booking tables. We have created three tables: the Z booking, Z customer, and Z cycles. These all are manually created, and in Z booking you can see that there are some fields about the timings and some calculations. So how we have do the calculations, you can see that from here. Structure is a data type where structure and consistent data is defined. Structure is designed for address that we can use again and again in any needed table by just use dot include. We have used that structure in our Z customer for address. A view is act like a database table, but it will not occupy the space, can be a virtual table. View is combining the data between one and more tables. Set booking info view is created to get information or join all three tables information. So we can see that we have used seen customer name backtape. So these all are combining three tables in one view. So we have used the query to get these all information in classical report. So we can see that these are the classical report. Modularization enable reusability of the code. It reduces redundancy. There are three types of modularization: include, function module, and subroutine. Include allow you to use the same code again and again. We can use include in many programs. Suppose we need to show the username, date, and time. We can use that include in some program. Subroutine is a block of code that we need to use in program that is parameterized. Suppose we have end and start as a parameter we need to use for calculate duration. We have third module is the function module. Function module are subprogram with import and export parameter. We have created a function to get data from booking table to put in the Z booking structure, and parameter is our customer ID, and source code is to get all the information from the Z booking table to put into the booking tab. I've created the program Z booking structure to use the modularization. We have used the function module that from the Z booking, and the program doing that to get all the information from the booking table and to display. And we have also used the include. Dynpro is a dialog program that is used to create many objects. First we need to create module, then we can add screen to do CRUD operation. We have created the global class that is ZXL booking CRUD that to show to create the booking and read the booking data and update and delete. So if we run the program, then we can show that we can get the bookings. Suppose I will put one, and we will get the information that regarding to the booking ID 1. And if we need to remove the bookings or to create the bookings, so we can do that. We have also used the object oriented programming. The object oriented programming is that we need to create the objects for Z customer, Z booking, and Z cycle. As you can see that Z customer has some child classes that are private customer and company customer. We have created in our program Z cycle, that is a Z CL, that's class customer, that to show the to create customer with their data, and there the method is we need to just print. And also we have created the private class, and in private class we are just using the full name and CPR, and then all other methods we are all other in fields we are getting from the parent class. So these are we have created, and we have also created the test class to test these information. And these, if we need to run this, we can see that it is the classes are working. we have created the private class, and in private class we are just using the full name and CPR, and then all other methods we are all other in fields we are getting from the parent class. So these are we have created, and we have also created the test class to test these information. And these, if we need to run this, we can see that it is the classes are working. We can also import and export to the Excel file. We can export from the ALV list to convert it to the Excel file, and we can import CSV file to the table. So this is the program Z import we have used to create import. The next topic is reporting. A report is a representation of data in organized form. There are two types of reports we have used in our programs. One is classical and second is ALV. This is the classical report that we have used ourselves, that how to display the data, and it is created by ourselves that to represent the data in better form. There is another type of report that we called ALV reporting, and in ALV reporting we have to use function. Some is ALV grid and some is ALV list, but we have used grid because we need to use for sorting calculation and charts. So if we go to the run the program, we can see that customers and with their profits, and we can see their charts, that how much is one customer is giving profit to the company. We can also calculate the uh, total for that. Suppose we have to use that, and then we can show that total of the profit that all the customers are giving.